We've all been there. A deadline looming, a task to complete, and yet, we can't seem to make ourselves do it. Procrastination is a common issue that many of us face, but it doesn't have to be that way. Earl Nightingale, the renowned motivational speaker, once said, "Don't wait for things to get better. Make them better." And he knew a thing or two about conquering procrastination and unlocking the power of decision-making. Earl Nightingale believed that the key to overcoming procrastination was to make a decision and act on it immediately. It's not enough to just plan and strategize, action is necessary to achieve success. Thank you, Earl Nightingale, for your wisdom and inspiration. Your legacy lives on, and we will continue to learn from your teachings.